got your ass.
Whenever this car hits the streets, it'll be a fishbowl. Granted, this tint was hella light anyway, but whenever this car does hit the streets, it'll be a fishbowl. You got to see me in it, baby. Alright, hopefully this works. This is all overspray. I was tripping over here. And I was fixing this T-top, or painting this T-top section. See what we can do. Well, got it off for the most part. Still some adhesive on here, a little bit. But probably gotta hit that with the heat gun, do something. I don't know how long ago this car had tinted windows, but yep, that's off. Ordered the correct size for that, so I can close that up here shortly. So yeah, may get started on this other glass over here. Well, I don't even know what I just ripped off, but I don't know if the adhesive absorbed the color, but it's damn near clear. Well, it is clear. So I gotta clean that up. All right, well, waiting on stuff to come, but got that window a little bit better. Got that quarter glass, got this quarter glass, got this soaking in some solution. It ain't nothing but vinegar, water, and a drop of soap. And then this is just adhesive that's still on here because the film came off, which I'll probably already show in this video by this point. So now I just gotta try to get this adhesive off. Looks like overspray on it up here. This window, I don't know where this one came from. I know probably this one not. I don't know. I'm trying to put doors together. I tried to get my previous black paint. I think this is overspray. That little Tint Noble. And Bob Dylan did this shit up. This is great. Yeah. Damn, I didn't realize this was from that car. Yeah, just that gray that I want that day. In the dirt, y'all. There's no one Bob Dylan. Let's see. So, I got this piece. Or with this being cracked like this, I don't think too much of a problem. Or, I don't know. You can take it off the other one, or maybe what's in there. I don't know. Hopefully it ain't too much of a problem. Maybe. Right now, I'm just wasting my damn time.
chickens. No, you do that. Oh, shit. Man, I'm gonna cut this right here. Come together. Come together.
And finally put the sound deadener over this. Once that dries, I'm still waiting for what I ordered up here. But this is gonna close this video out. Let me see. Here's the part number, if anybody needs it.
72 hours later.
Well, I'll close this video out. So, got that back glass done. That was a pain. I done tried several different methods to doing this. I done used ammonia. I done used this, what is this? It's adhesive remover spray, heat gun. Had to the oh man, I'm looking right at it. Space heater on the facing the back window. I taped off the back window, sprayed it with ammonia. Had the space heater facing it to like let it bake or whatever from the outside. And yeah, had a black plastic bag over this on the inside. I'm pretty sure this defroster never worked properly again, but I mean, this car never be anywhere. Well, I'll need defrost anyway. So that's that. Finally got a shipping notification on my coilovers.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah.
This also cleaned up, got some more oven cleaner on it, hit it with the degreaser. Also used a little bit of the flame to, expedite the process, since oven cleaner needs a temp to it and it's slick cold in this garage. So, yeah, productive afternoon. So car be a fishbowl. Haven't had a fishbowl G-body in quite a while, so yeah. But the one thing I do know is them defrost lines just toe up. So we're gonna close this out here. I would put this glass in, but I gotta take off this whole inside door panel, and I don't feel like doing all that right now, so I'm gonna just wrap it up right here.
Well, bye.